It all began on a tragic day in the life of Mirza Karim, when during his time in the army he became the victim of a dreadful injustice. He was taken to a hospital where he had to stay in bed for 4 months and was condemned to be a cripple for the rest of his life. And all this at the age of 20, when life is just beginning. He felt an indeterminable desperation and even considered suicide, after which he started his trek around the country in search of some form of treatment. At that point, Mirza Karim met his future mentor, which determined the path of his life. This 100-year-old man alone did things which entire medical institutions could not do. They started training. First, Mirza Karim experienced resistance and doubts accompanied by failures. But the wisdom and patience of his mentor, as well as the aspirations and willpower of Mirza Karim himself, made the ailment recede. In 4 years, he was completely healthy. But his real studies only began from this moment. He carried on working every day on self-improvement and self-perfection. He trained and learned the ancient practices of the masters of the way, studied the hidden abilities of a person using his own example, went along the path to self-discovery, leading his first disciples. Having regained his health, Mirza Karim started helping other people to regain theirs, using the knowledge learned from his mentors. As a real scientist and researcher, he combined the 1,000-year-old traditions of Eastern medicine with the most advanced achievements of modern science. For more than 30 years, the system has been evolved and perfected in the territory of Uzbekistan and a number of Russian towns. Today, Mirza Karim Norbekov is a doctor of psychology, a doctor of pedagogics, a PhD in medicine, professor, a full and corresponding member of a number of academies in different countries. He is the author of many patented inventions and scientific discoveries, a sportsman with a black belt in karate, third dan, and writer and author of a number of books which have become bestsellers worldwide.